Think dolphins are just cute ocean puppies. Here's a twist. The biggest dolphin on Earth is the orca. Yep, the killer whale is actually a dolphin. I'm breaking down the wildest dolphin facts in 3 minutes. Let's dive in. First, the roll call: 42 species of marine dolphins. And 5 species of river dolphins, spread across almost every ocean and several major rivers. From coastal shallows to open seas, they're everywhere. Dolphins are mammals, warm-blooded. They give birth to live young and they make milk. They breathe air through a single blowhole, not gills. Their skin is smooth and basically hairless. Those conical teeth? Perfect for gripping slippery prey. Brains? Supercharged. Dolphins pass the mirror test. Self-recognition. Some even use tools like sea sponges to cushion their snouts while foraging. Communication is next level. Clicks and whistles in complex patterns. They see with sound using echolocation, sending out clicks and reading echoes to map fish, squid, even a metal screw. It works in murky water where eyes can't. They're predators with style. Diets range from fish and squid to crustaceans. Some smack fish with their tails. Fish whacking. Others corral prey with bubbles, a coordinated bubble net that funnels targets into the perfect bite zone. Speed. While cruising, they take it easy, but when they want to, they can blast past 30 miles per hour. That's torpedo mode. Life expectancy varies. Smaller species might manage 20 to 40 years, while orcas, again, dolphins, can top 80. Grandmothers even help lead and teach. Social lives are intense. Dolphins form pods. Tight, complex communities that can swell into superpods in the thousands. They babysit, team up to hunt, and sometimes clash with rivals. It's politics with flippers. Sleep is weird and wonderful. Dolphins shut down only half the brain so they can keep swimming and stay alert, and remember to breathe. One eye open, literally. They also name themselves. Each dolphin develops a unique signature whistle. Others can call them by it, and they respond. And yeah, the playful image isn't the whole story. Wild dolphins can be rough. They spar and harass rivals, and have been seen batting small sharks around like volleyballs. It's unsettling, but it's predator behavior. Part of life in the ocean. Final rapid fire. Dolphins are not fish. They're mammals with blowholes, smooth skin, and conical teeth. They're brilliant, tool-using, sonar-wielding hunters that live in complex societies. And can outrun your speedboat. If you ever meet them in the wild, keep your distance. Respect their space, and let them be the ones to decide the interaction. The ocean's their home. We're the guests. Thanks for watching. Hit like if a fact surprised you, and tell me your favorite dolphin species down below.